You see, ang normal grow kasi ng baboy is 5 to 6 months before ma-dispose mo. From weaning stage hanggang dun sa harvesting, it takes 5 to 6 months. But using our product, Grand Yumivet, we can have it harvested on the 4th month. And it will just weigh 80 kilograms and more. So the feed conversion rate or yung feed na pinapakain natin will convert into live weight that fast because our Grand Yumivet facilitates absorption of nutrients faster, no, sa mga feeds when we mix it in feeds or minimix natin sa kanilang inumin. So mabilis po yung paglaki ng ating mga hayop nan, malayo sa sakit, and lesser expenses sa mga additional injectables like mga antibiotics, no, probiotics, whatever additional expenses may incur, malaless po ito using Grand Yumivet. Faster growth, wala pong baho ang kanilang byproduct, and at the same time, mabilis yung kita.